Hello, my name is Melissa Turan. I am a happy customer of DC Home Remodeling. I would have to say I am very content with the work that was done in my home. First, we had our bedroom done, and we were so content with the work that we had to get our kitchen remodeled as well. Mustafa, the owner, was super lenient, super respectful, very nice, very flexible with scheduling. When he came for our estimate, he knew exactly what we wanted. He even brought samples that fit our style into what we were looking for. Everything came out outstanding. I wouldn't look anywhere else. I would honestly choose DC Home Remodeling from here on out for anything in the future. And I would definitely recommend it for all of you. Also, just the customer service, the contractors, everything was wonderful. So thank you, DC Home Remodeling. I will definitely choose you again.